This is Ons Lieve, Heer op zolder, or in English, Our Lord in the Attic. It is a Catholic church hidden in the attic of one of the canal houses in Amsterdam. It was back in the day when Protestantism was the official religion in Holland, and it was forbidden to publicly observe and practice other faiths such as Catholicism. And back in 1661, when a rich merchant named Jan Hartman converted his attic into a Catholic church, this canal house was just like any other canal houses in the area. Nobody would have suspected that behind its door, a beautiful and a proper Catholic church was hidden, that holy masses were being performed inside. So, guys, let us climb the stairs and go to the attic. And here is the attic. As you can see, it is not just an ordinary attic in an otherwise ordinary house. It is a beautiful church. It is a magnificent, proper Catholic church. Here you can see the altar. It was back in the day when a priest was performing a Eucharist. He was facing the altar and not the congregation. Because nowadays, if you were able to attend Masses, the priest is facing the people when doing the Eucharist. This is the Maria Chapel. So this church, although it is small and hidden, it was not destitute. It's everything but destitute. And because this is the Maria Chapel, you can see here the statue of Maria carrying Jesus. And if we turn back, there is a door, and this door will lead us back to the church. Right in front of you, you see the organ, and just appreciate how beautiful the organ is. It might be small, but it was a beautiful functioning organ. And this is the altar again, but this time in a higher point of view. And then let us go to the sacristy. You know, guys, while I was there, I was imagining people back in the 7th century coming here, attending masses in their 7th century costumes or clothing. It was just, watching costume drama in my mind. That's what they use when performing baptism. And we also have here the confession room. And this is a bedroom. I suppose this is a bedroom of the presiding priest. And now we have reached the final destination of our tour. Thank you very much for watching.